years in forests, hills or villages. In India, we call them Adivasis or tribal communities like the Gond, Bhil, Santhal and Toda. They have their own languages, cultures, clothes, songs, dances and ways for living. They live very close to nature and teach us how to care for the environment.
आदिवासी सबसे निराला रे। आदिवासी जंगल रखवाला रे।
आदिवासी चोरी में मटवाली रे। आदिवासी ने भगवान रे कोई जुबान पाकी बात रखे रे। आदिवासी